So far, since we've started this exercise last Thursday, as of today, we have given out about 3,412 doses of the Pfizer vaccine to our children. So it is going good.
The official rollout of the vaccination drive for the country's adolescent population began last Thursday at the St. Stanislaus College, where just over 200 children were reportedly vaccinated. Since then, a number of other vaccination drives were conducted, all targeting the country's adolescent population. On Sunday, a successful drive conducted at Movitown Liliandal on the east coast of Demerara saw an estimated 2,000 persons accessing the vaccine, most of whom the minister said were in the 12 to 17 age group. Another robust drive was held at St. Joseph High School on Monday, where another 400 students were vaccinated. The minister said that these vaccination drives will continue across the country until a vast majority of the country's adolescent population is vaccinated.
I know we are already getting requests to come out to some other areas, but we have a system how we're working, and very shortly we'll be out in every region.
The vaccination of this specific target group is now being dubbed a necessary step for the safe reopening of schools, which, according to the Minister of Education, Priya Manik Chan, will definitely be reopened next Monday. 146,250 Pfizer doses were received by government last week and paved the way for the vaccination of an estimated 70,000 adolescents. Meanwhile, while the Health Ministry is on the one hand decrying the devastating effects of the new variant in Guyana, which has skyrocketed new infections, hospitalizations, and deaths, with the arrival of September came the relaxation of existing measures to the COVID-19 gazetted orders. According to the updated document, restaurants and bars have been given the go-ahead to operate at 60% capacity, while 6 people can now sit at the same table instead of 4 as was previously allowed. However, persons are still required to present their vaccination cards and IDs before entering restaurants and bars. Additionally, cinemas are now allowed to operate at a 60% capacity, whether building or seated. They have also been given approval to sell food, snacks, and drinks to those going to the cinema. This comes after approval was only given for cinemas to operate without concession stands operating in August. Once again, those persons visiting the cinema also must present their vaccination cards and IDs. Gyms are also allowed to now open at 50% capacity. Furthermore, only vaccinated staff and gym members are allowed to visit gyms and other fitness centers. The national 10:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. curfew remains the same, and persons visiting government ministries and agencies are still being asked to produce their vaccination cards with some form of identification. Those without the requisite vaccination cards are required to make appointments or produce a negative PCR test. For the HGP 19 News, Kendell Richmond.